Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to this quick rejuvenating yoga session which is dedicated to our feet, where we will be doing asanas to strengthen and stretch the muscles. So we'll begin this session by sitting in any comfortable position. I'm going to sit in Vajrasana. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Just wiggle your toes. Bring your awareness to your feet. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you breathe out through your mouth, exhale completely, releasing any tightness, any pain in your foot. One more breath in. Completely breathe out. Stretch your legs in front of you. Palms come to rest behind you. See that your upper body is completely rested. Feet wide. Now just tighten your toes. These are all these loosening sukshma vayama in yoga. Just stretch. So you're going to contract, relax. Contract your toes, relax. Try to spread them wide and back in. Again, wide, back in. Move your foot in and out. You can widen. Again, drop it in and out. In and out. Draw circles at your ankle. 3 clockwise. 3 anti-clockwise. You can do even 5 of them. It's fine. Again, point your toes away from you. Flex. Again, toes away and flex. Now bring your feet together. From here, bend your knees. Place your hands either on your knees or over a shin, and you can bring it closer. Spread your toes wide. Place that on the mat. Now raise the toes off the mat. The balls of your feet are pressing into the mat. Your heel is pressing into the mat. Arches feel raised. And now very slowly spread them wide. And then try and drop the little toe. Then the next, middle. And finally your big toe. Once again raise your toes. This time drop your big toe. The second, middle, and last. For me it's hard, like all of them go together. Once again, raise all your toes, drop it down. Swing your legs to one side. Place your toes on the mat. Tuck your toes in. Press your palms into the mat. Knees come off. Drop your heels down. Again, raise your heels all the way up into your Parvatasana or your downward dog. Your legs can stay wide. And slowly drop it down. Once again, raise. And drop your knees, may stay bent. That's fine. Again, 3. From here, we're going to bend one knee. Press the left foot into the mat. Alternate. Press and stretch. You're going to feel a stretch all along. Your toes on your right foot, the calf on your left foot. Alternate. 3, 2, and 1. Now raise both your heels off the mat. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Again, raise. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees. Let your toes stay tucked. Sit in Vajrasana. Stay here with your toes tucked in. Feel a nice stretch on the soles of your feet. If you're comfortable staying in this pose for about 2 to 3 breaths, then raise your knees off the mat. If you lose balance, totally fine. Here. Hands come to prayer. Start raising your heels off, trying to bring the knees forward or trying to bring the knees in the direction of the ceiling. So you're getting a deeper stretch in the soles of your feet. 3, 2, 1. Drop your hands down, drop, release, and sit back. So we're going to take a deep breath in and completely exhale out and bring your awareness to the discomfort that you're feeling at the balls of your feet. As you exhale, trying to release that discomfort. Again, breath in. So all your awareness is at your feet. As you exhale, release. From here, you're going to place your palms on the mat. Come back. Padahastasana. Try and keeping your knees straight. Stay here. See that you are not bending your knees. You're not lifting your heels off. Walk forward. You're going to feel a good stretch in your ankle, your calf. Press the heels into the mat. So at no point you're raising here. Press and hold. Again, walk back. We're going to do this once more. Reach forward as far as you can. Some of us can move further away, some of us stay closer towards our toes, and it's completely different for each one of us. Again, move back. Halfway lift, Ardha Hasta Uttasana. Padahastasana, breathe in, reach. Interlace your fingers, stretch towards the ceiling, raise both your heels off the mat. Now from here, we're going to keep looking at a point and walk all the way to the front of the mat. Stretch, walk back. If you're going to be losing balance here, the other way is you can drop your hands and plate it on your waist. Place it at your waist. Again, forward once more. And back. Drop it down. This time, dig your heels into the mat. Press your heels into the mat and walk. Either hands stretched out. There's a tendency to lose balance. And back. Reach back. And down. Now, press your toes into the mat. Spread them nice and wide. Yeah, this is how it's going to look. Spread your toes nice and wide. Pressing into the mat. Now press the balls of your feet into the mat. Raise your toes up. Heels are digging into the mat. Arches of your foot raise like we did in sitting. Here it's bearing the weight of your whole body. And now very slowly try and drop your little finger, a little toe, all your other toes. And then your big toe comes down. Again, release, raise it up. This time, place your big toe, then all the other toes. Breathe in, reach your hands up. Breathe out, forward, fold. Come to sit in Vajrasana, relax your toes. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. From here, we're going to come to sit in Sukhasana. End the session by chanting one round of Om. Inhale as you exhale. Om. Rub your palms together and your warm palms over your feet. Like with your thumb, give continuous pressure, just massaging the balls of your feet. moving your thumb this way, up and down. You're giving continuous pressure to this. Then in circular motion at your heel, all around your heel. Another way of doing this is bring your foot to rest on your thigh, make a fist, and then use your knuckles to kind of massage into the arch of your foot, your heel, and the balls of your feet. And move it all the way back and forward. Here and forward. You can do it to the other side too. So if you're right-handed, the pressure from your right hand is much better than from your left hand. Here again, massage. And you can end the session. Thank you so much for doing this session with me. I would love to hear about your feedback in the comments below. If you think this session was valuable to you, please like, subscribe to my channel, and if you think this is helpful to somebody you know, please share. Namaste.